Hello students, today we are starting chapter 7, the water world. Our hydrosphere. Hydrosphere is that realm of the earth which consists of all the water bodies. The earth is a unique planet largely due to the presence of realm of water or the hydrosphere. Our earth is unique planet due to presence of water or hydrosphere. The blue planet is a popular sobriquet used for the earth due to absence of water. It means our earth is also known as the blue planet because it looks blue in color because of presence of water. Along with the atmosphere and lithosphere, the hydrosphere makes life possible on the earth. The hydrosphere comprises all the forms of water bodies including solid, liquid and gaseous forms along with groundwater. Our hydrosphere consists of all the forms of water bodies like solid like snow and glacier, liquid like waters present in river, pond, sea and gaseous, for example water vapor. The hydrosphere is sustained through the hydrological cycle. Our hydrosphere is balanced due to the process of hydrological cycle. Hydrological cycle means water cycle which consists of different processes like evaporation, condensation and precipitation. The hydrosphere is sustained through the hydrological cycle involving numerous changes which water undergoes on the sea, air and land. The water cycle involves four crucial phenomena. There are four important phenomena or the process of water cycle. First is the evaporation. Second is condensation. Third is precipitation and fourth is collection. The water in the ocean becomes water vapor due to the heat of the sun. This process is known as evaporation, which changes into cloud. This process is known as condensation, and thereafter the cloud precipitates as rain or snow that run down into rivers and eventually goes back to the ocean. So these are the four processes. The amount of water that comes in by the way of precipitation usually balances the amount that is lost by evaporation and transpiration. Water cycle maintains the balance between water lost due to the process of evaporation and transpiration and amount of water that comes in with the process of precipitation. The availability of water varies from one place to another, from sea to sea. At times, the water cycle is affected by human activities such as deforestation, pollution of water bodies, etc. Process of evaporation is different in different places. Water cycle is affected because of the human activity.